If your customers aren't pushing you to give them the torque data from your assemblies, they will be soon. And if your customers are already asking for that data, you'll want to give it to them. If you're using a DC nut runner or digital torque wrenches, data shouldn't be an issue. But what if your operators are using click wrenches? Because it's fast, it's easy, and it's simple to use. Click wrenches are great for OK, no-K, but they don't tell you much more than that. So how do you get the data your customers want without disrupting the operators by changing to a digital wrench or a much more expensive DC nut runner? The answer used to be, you can't. Now the answer is simple. It's the Sturtevant Richmont Digital Torque and Angle Click Wrench. We took the best parts of our 1350 series digital torque and angle wrench and built that into our legendary preset click wrench. The result? The TAC digital click wrench. Not only is torque and angle more accurate than torque alone, we provide you with the final torque and angle values, and that goes right into your data repository. Your report sees where the operator stopped pulling, not where the wrench clicked. Your operators get the speed and the agility of a click wrench because it is a click wrench. And your customers get the accuracy and actionable data of a digital torque and angle wrench because it is a digital torque and angle wrench. You and your customers get the best of both worlds. Think innovation without disruption. To learn more about how the Sturtevant Richmont TAC digital click wrench can help your assembly quality and increase your throughput, contact your local Sturtevant Richmont Sales Professional. Accurate, reliable, durable. Tools you trust from the engineering minds at Sturtevant Richmont.